Again, the Phoenix Bird, 5108. Good luck, dice roll. 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Browns up top. The Saints at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Andy up top. Tom Shepard at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And there is your squads. Phoenix Early Bird. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Phoenix Hobby, good luck, good luck. Let's start the night off right. And grab your spots, guys, jumboscards.com. Good luck, good luck. Pack 1. You got Kalijah Cansey on the rookie. Focus up, camera. Or not. What's up with this camera today? That's weird. Dak Prescott on the yellow. Flamethrowers, Hot Routes of Hawkinson. And Dak Prescott on the yellow. That'll be to 75. 63 out of 75. Pack 2. Zay Flowers. We got Ryan Tannehill on the color burst. Thought they tried to trick me. For the Titans on the color burst, Tannehill. Mac Jones, that is 1 out of 50 on the yellow. Patriots and Carey taking down the Mac. And Jalen Hurts playing with fire. Kyler Murray, Zay Flowers, fired up pink. Chris Olave. And Zay Flowers to 175 for the Ravens. And Joseph Henderson. DTR, another color burst of Josh Jacobs. Second color burst of the box. For the Raiders and Josh Gare. Jacobs on the color burst. We got DTR on the rook. We got filler card, Devontae Smith and CJ Stroud on the rookie flamethrower. Devontae Smith for the Eagles. That's to 199. Flamethrowers of Stroud on the silver. Texans going to Derek Faxton. Here you go, Derek. Cousins Yaya Diaby. Silver ink for the Colts. A double Warray for Indy. Going to John Hickman on the auto. Rookie Rising Silver of Jackson Smith and Jigba. Roshan Johnson on the silver rook. OBJ Aaron Rodgers. OBJ for Baltimore to 199. Next pack. Michael Wilson, Nick Chubb, silver, Quentin Johnston, and Tua. Quentin Johnston to 175 for the Chargers. Again, Nick Chubb on the silver, playing with fire. Got Dylan Horton, filler card. Jared Goff, JSN fired up. And Jared Goff to 199. And orders are flying on the website, guys. Grab your spots. Get yourself in the giveaway. Brian Breesy, DJ Moore on the purple. And Stephon Diggs. DJ Moore for Chicago. That is 56 out of 99. Next pack. Rashee Rice, Geno Smith to 150. Going to the Seahawks on the jersey. Fire Fabrics. And Fire Fabrics to 150. Geno Smith. CeeDee Lamb and Justin Fields. CeeDee Lamb to 125. We got Justin Jefferson on the silver. Anthony Richardson. 61 out of 75. Bang! John Hickman. How about that one? How about that card for you, John? AR to 75. On the RPA. What a beauty there. And that is 61 out of 75 going to John Hickman. Puka Nacua, Fire Forged Silver. And last pack of Magic. Robert Woods Silver, filler, Dylan Horton, and Patty Mahomes. And Dylan Horton to 250. Let's recap it. That's a banger out of that box. Start off Dylan Horton. Got Puka, CeeDee, Geno, DJ, Goff, Johnston, Beckham, JSN out of ball. Adebawore for the Colts, CJ Stroud, silver, Devontae Jacobs, Flowers, Mack, Tannehill, Dak, and AR on the RPA to 75. Pretty damn good bird there, guys. That is the break. Thanks for the fill.